Once again, you are welcome to the topical solutions on the past Wassce questions for senior high school and private candidates for the year 2016. The topic is formulas, linear equations and inequalities. Your instructor here is Augustus. Please, if you need more of these videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will be honored to serve you. Now, let's look at our questions. Objective question 9 for senior high school candidates. It says, which of the following number lines illustrates the solution of the inequality for less or equal to 1/3 2x minus 1 is less than 5. Now, the least common denominator amongst the three terms is 3. So we multiply 3 by each of the terms, and we're going to get 3 multiplied by 4 less or equal to 3 multiplied by 1/3 to bracket 2x minus 1. It's less than 3 times 5. So 3 times 4 is 12. So less or equal to 3 will cancel 3, and we have 2x minus 1. 1 times whatever is inside the brackets is the same thing. It's less than 3 times 5 is 15. Then we add -1 to each of the sides so that you get rid of the -1 at the middle. We are adding +1 to each of the three sides. So 12 plus 1 is less or equal to 2x minus 1 plus 1 is less than 15 plus 1. 12 plus 1 is 13. So less or equal to -1 plus 1 will turn 0. We have 2x is less than 15 plus 1 is 16. Then again we divide each of the sides by 2. We have 13 out of 2 less or equal to 2x out of 2 less than 16. 2 will cancel 2. Then 13 divided by 2 is 6.5. So 6.5 is less or equal to x, which is less than 16 is also divided by 2. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. So this is the inequality, and we have to represent it on a number line. It will begin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6.5 will fall here in the middle, and 8 will also fall here. But 6.5 is less or equal to x. Because of the equal to sign, we are going to shade this one and join that. So that will be our inequality for 6.5 is less or equal to x less or equal to 8. This is the number line. Objective question 14 for senior high candidates. We have to make x the subject of the relation P is equal to S plus SM square divided by NR. So we are making S the subject. Let us try to find the least common denominator NR. So this is divided by 1. 1 into NR is NR. So NR multiplied by S will be SNR. then plus nr into nr is 1 times sm square will give us sm square, and this p is multiplied. So we can apply cross multiplication. This nr will cross and multiply p, and we are going to get nrp is equal to snr plus sm square. The next thing we are going to do is to factorize or factor s out of this side, and we get nrp is equal to s will come outside the bracket, then we have nr there plus another s will come, so m square. To find s, we divide both sides by nr plus m square. So nrp divided by nr plus m square should be equal to s into bracket nr plus m square divided by nr plus m square. And of course, nr plus m square will cancel itself, whereby our s is equal to nrp divided by nr plus m square. Objective question 9 for private candidates. It says if t equal to a minus m divided by 1 plus am, we should find a in terms of t and m, meaning we have to make a the subject. But in our first step, we are going to do a cross multiplication. So this 1 plus am will cross to multiply t. Then you have t into bracket 1 plus am is equal to a minus m. Then we expand. T times 1 will be t plus t times am will be t am, which is equal to a minus m. In the question, we want to make a the subject. So we will send the a's to the right hand side and the ones without the a to the left hand side, meaning we are going to get t, m is negative here. When it comes to the left hand side, it becomes positive. So plus m should be equal to, you already have a there, tam is positive at the left hand side. So when it is transposed to the right hand side, it becomes negative, minus tam and t plus m. We factor a out of the right expression. So a to bracket 1 minus t m. A into bracket 1 minus t m. To find a, we divide both sides by 1 minus t m, which will give us t plus m over 1 minus t m is equal to a into bracket 1 minus t m divided by 1 minus t m. 1 minus t m will cancel 1 minus t m, and our final answer for a will be equal to t plus m divided by 1 minus t m. Objective question 10 for private candidates. We have to solve 2 out of 3 to bracket x minus 1 is greater than 1 out of 2 into bracket 1 minus 2x plus 1 out of 2. We have to solve, meaning we have to find x. The least common denominator amongst 3 and 2 is 6. So we pick the 6 and multiply by each term. So 6 times 2 out of 3 x minus 1 is greater than 6 times half to bracket 1 minus 2x plus 6 times another half. 3 into 6 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 into bracket x minus 1 is greater than 2 into 6 is 3. We're going to get 3 into bracket 1 minus 2x plus 2 into 6 is 3. 3 times 1 is the same 3. Then we expand the bracket. 4 times x will give us 4x. 4 times negative 1 will give us negative 4 is greater than 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times negative 2x will give us negative 6x plus 3. The next thing is to collect like terms. So for x, this negative 6 will be transposed to the left hand side and it becomes plus 6x, which is greater than, we have 3 here plus another 3. The negative 4 will be transposed to the right hand side and it becomes positive 4. 4x plus 6x is 10x. So greater than 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 4 is 10. So to find the value of x, we divide both sides by 10. So the value of x is greater than 1.